Now in this video, we are going to take up one more Python program to print the Fibonacci sequence. What the Fibonacci sequence is? First, you have to have two numbers. The addition of the first and the second number will going to give the third number. Then again, the addition of previous two numbers will going to give the fourth number. The addition of previous two numbers will going to give you the fifth number in this sense. Suppose if I have, for example, 5 numbers. So 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 it becomes 2, 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. So that is how it will going to be executed. So first is, we will consider num, int input, enter the number to obtain the Fibonacci sequence. If num is equal to 1, then print A. What does it mean? Suppose if I enter num1 first number, 1 is equal to 1, condition is true, print A. What is the value of A? A is 0. So it will print A. Suppose if the condition becomes false, suppose I will go to take 10, for example. Then what happens? Else, is 10 is equal to 1? No. So then what happens? It comes to this. Print A comma B. What is A comma B? 0 comma 1. Since you are in the end of the loop, since you have the end function, between the two numbers, you have to give one particular space. Why I need to do this? Suppose in a Python program, if I don't specify the end, then what it does, it goes to the next line automatically. So I want it in the horizontal, in a row wise I want. So that is the reason why I am giving end equals within code give one space. That means between 0 and 1 I want to give one space. For I in range 1 comma num plus 1. What is the value? Num plus 1 means, what is that? Num plus 1 is 1 comma 11. So first is C is equal to A plus B. What is the value of C? C should be equal to A plus B. What is the value of A? 0 plus B 1. So C value will become 1. Now we calculate the value of C. Then after that, what is need to do? A is equal to B. What is the value of A? A is equal to B means what it does, A will take the value of B. That means A will becomes 1. Then what will going to become B? B will going to become C. What is the value of C? C is also equal to 1 because we have considered C is equal to A plus B. So B is equal to C. Now you print C. What is the value of C? C will become 1. So that's the output what you are getting here. 1. Now we have got 1. Then after that, again it goes back. So I will become what? I will become 2. 2 is within 11. Yes. What is the value of C? A plus B. So what is the value of A now? What is the value of A? Now this will be the value of A and this will be the value of B. So C is equal to A plus B, C is equal to 2. Then what is the value of A? A will be 1. This value will become 1. B is equal to C. C value becomes 2. Print C. C value will be 2. It will print C. Then again it goes back and takes the value of 3. I is incremented by 1. So 3 is within 11. Yes. C is equal to A plus B. What is that? 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. C value is 3 now. A is equal to, now these two will become, this is A and this is B now. So A will become 2, B will become 3. Print C. C is 3. Again it goes back and take the value of I is equal to 4. Is 4 is within 11. Condition is true. Now we have 2 and 3 as A and B now. C is equal to A plus B. So 5, C is equal to 5. A is equal to what? A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. Print C. C is 5. Then again it incremented the value of I by 1. It becomes 5. 5 is within 11. Condition is true. So what is the value of C? C is equal to A plus B. So this is A and this is B now. So it becomes 8. So C is equal to 8. So A is equal to 3 and C is equal to, B is equal to 8. So like this it keeps on adding. So here we have missed one particular sequence. Let us see how it will going to give that particular value here. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So total number is, they enter the sequence 10. 10 is equal to 1, false. So output is 0, 1, it will going to print. I is equal to 1, num plus 1, so 1, 11. So what is the iteration value? 1 to 10. I is equal to 1, 1 is less than 11, condition is true, C is equal to A plus B. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1, A is equal to B means what? A value is 0, B value is 1. So A is equal to B means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to C means 1. So output is 0, 1, 1. Then I is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That's what I have explained. 2 is less than 11, true. C is equal to A plus B, so it becomes 2. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Print C is 0, 1, 1, 2. Similarly, I is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. So what is the value of A? A value is the previous value of A. So here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So the output print C 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. I is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Is 4 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. Output is this much. Now we will go to this. I is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Is 5 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. So this is where I made a mistake. There we have, after considering 5, it went to 13. It is 8. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 5. B is equal to C is equal to 8. So output is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Then after that, I is equal to 6. 6 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. A is equal to how much? A is equal to B. B value is 8. So you take A is equal to 8. B is equal to C. C value is how much? 13. So print C. Print C means 13. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Then again, I is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Is 7 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. What is the value of A? A is equal to 8. B is equal to 13. 21 you will go to get. A is equal to B. A becomes 13 now. B is equal to C. 21. So print C. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. Now I is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is less than 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. So what is the value of A? 13 and 21. It becomes 34. A is equal to B. A is equal to 21 and B is equal to 34. Print C. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. Then I is equal to 9. If 9 is less than 11 or 9 is within 11, condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. 21 plus 34 which is equal to 55. A is equal to 34 and B is equal to 55. So print C. The output is, output value is C. C value is how much? It is 55. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. Then I is incremented by 1. 10. 10 is within 11. Condition is true. C is equal to A plus B. 55 plus 34 will going to give you 89. So A value is 55 and B value is 89. Print C. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. I is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Is 11 is less than 11. Condition is false. So therefore it comes out of the loop. So this is how you will be able to write a program on Fibonacci series, how to calculate the Fibonacci sequence of a given number. Now we are going to execute by using the Python code. So how to write that? So first A is equal to 0, then B equals 1, then num int input, enter the Fibonacci sequence number. Number to obtain, enter the number to obtain this Fibonacci sequence. enter the number to obtain the Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Next, if num equals 1, print A. Okay. Else, print A comma B. Okay. Print A comma B comma n equals, give one space. Okay. After that, for loop will start. For I in range 1 comma num plus 1. For I in range num comma 1. So C equals A plus B. Then A equals B. Then B equals C. Then you print C, comma, end equals, continue. Okay, so this is how I will write the program. When I run this program, it will going to give you, enter the Fibonacci sequence of 10 numbers. It will give you the 10 numbers in the sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 24, 34, 55, 89. Now how this will going to be executed, we will see. The same thing I will going to debug the Python program by obtaining by step by step. So I will say num is equal to, I will want the 10 sequence, I will enter. 10 is equal to 1, no. So it skips that loop, print A comma B. So it comes 0 comma 1 here. Why 1 A comma B? Why 0 comma 1? Because A value is 0 and B value is 1. Now I will take I is equal to 1 comma 11 because 10 num is 10. So I value will be initialized with 1. C is equal to A plus B. What is the value of C? You observe here. C becomes 1 now. Here. A 0, B 1, C 1. So then observe here what happens. A will become 1 now. A is equal to B. What is the value of B? B becomes 1. B value is C. So here it doesn't make any difference because both B and C are equal to 1. So now it will go to print the value of C, 1. Since you have the end, so the cursor will not go to the next line. It will be there only. Again, I becomes 2. Here you can see. I becomes 2. Okay, I becomes 2. That I will not be able to see here. So I is equal to 2. You can see. C is equal to A plus B. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Then A is equal to B. A is equal to B means A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. Correct? Print C. C is equal to 2. Then I will become 3. You can see here 3. Then C is equal to 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. A is equal to B. A becomes 2. Okay. B is equal to 3. Print C. 3. So like this. Again, I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4. A is equal to B. 3. A value becomes 3. B is equal to C. 5. C is 5. Then again, I is equal to 5. Then C. C is equal to A plus B. 8. Then A is equal to 5. B is equal to 8. Print C. 8. Then I becomes 6. Then C is equal to A plus B. 8 plus 5. It becomes 13. You can see here it is 13 now. And here also you can see 13. So now A is equal to B. B is 8. B is equal to C. 13. Print C. 13. Then I is equal to 7. Then C is equal to 21. Then A is equal to 13. B is equal to 21. Print C. 21. Then I is equal to 8. 21 plus 13. 34. C. A is equal to 21. B is equal to 34. Print C, 34. Then I is equal to 9. 21 plus 34 is 55. C. A is equal to 34. B is equal to 55. Then print 55. Then I is equal to 10. And C is equal to A plus B. 55 plus 34, 89. Then A is equal to B, 55. B is equal to C, it is 89. Print C, 89. Then I will try to increment by 1. So it won't come out, it directly comes out of the program. So this is your final Fibonacci series, that is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. This is how you will be able to get the Fibonacci sequence of numbers of the entered number in a Python program. Thank you.